Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the display. Now let's localize the wallpaper. Let's tap on it and tap on set wallpaper. And as you can see right here, we've got the pre-installed options from which we can choose. We can tap on more if you want to, and here we will have some live wallpapers, of course, if you've got downloaded some of them. Here we've got again the pre-installed options, and here we can also tap on the gallery, so you can pick your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. So let me pick maybe this option. Simply tap on the wallpaper in order to check the preview. Here you can blur the option, so simply tap on this drop icon, illusion I believe, and by going to the left you can make it much sharper, and to the right you can blur it. So it's up to you whether you like this option or not. I think I will leave the sharpest option. So let's simply tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Okay, as you can see it may take a while, so let's be patient. Okay, let's go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.